Greetings and welcome to our followers. Here are some benefits of the Sonavel product that you can highlight in the video. Improved hearing. Sonavel is designed to help improve hearing capacity, allowing you to hear sounds with more clarity and sharpness. Relief from ear ringing. Ear ringing, also known as tinnitus, can be extremely bothersome and impact quality of life. Sonavel can help reduce and even eliminate ringing, providing relief and well-being. Protection of auditory cells. Sonavel's unique formula contains natural ingredients that help protect and strengthen auditory cells, preventing future damage and promoting long-term healthy hearing. Improved concentration and focus. By enhancing hearing and reducing ringing, Sonavel can also help increase concentration and focus on daily tasks, allowing for a more enjoyable and productive auditory experience. Enhanced quality of life. By restoring hearing capacity and alleviating ringing, Sonavel can significantly improve quality of life, enabling you to fully enjoy conversations, music, and sounds from the environment. Buy the original Sonavel product now directly from the official website. Click the link in the video description to purchase Sonavel from the official website and enjoy the complete benefits. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more content related to auditory health and well-being. Thank you for watching the video and for your continued support. We hope that Sonavel can help improve your hearing and provide a more fulfilling and joyful life.